to look what's inside.
One, two, three, come on!
Now we are about to see the views in this rink. They call it the VDNKH, the biggest ice rink in Moscow. This is a VDNKH Park. And as you can see there is a pedestrian bridge going to the other side.
Bakit tayo dun? Para samahan niyo po at silipin natin kung ano ang meron dyan sa taas na yan. Punta tayo sa kabilang tayo.
And the rink at the VDNKH is the largest artificial ice rink of 20,510 square meters in Moscow. So we go up there and we can see the beauty of this ice rink. These are the backlights, and which is illuminate 5,000 square meters of this backlight. Yes, and the largest ice rink of Moscow has a capacity of 4,500 people. Its area is split into a separate zone: the big circle, infinity, lovers alley, children's playground, and hockey field. The main highlight of the rink is backlights. Yeah, it's some beautiful backlights. There are very amazing, fantastic lights around, as you can see, and it's illuminates 5,000 square meters of ice, facades of buildings, and fences and pedestrian bridge, as where we are staying now, to see the views around. And it's really beautiful. This ice rink is really amazing. And there are many activities that you can do in this park. I have shown the part 1, part 2, and this is the part 3 of this park that we have gone so far, and it's really amazing. I like the backlights. It's really caught your attention to this beautiful lights and views. And this is the rink, the ice rink.
May starting point po ito para mag-skate. And then you gonna skate. You have to glide it around this path. So, kailangan sundan mo itong path na to Only for skaters. I want to try, but I don't know if it's open because it's still closed. I don't know if they were gonna open this.
It's really smooth. I did not had a chance to skate by the time because I have no companion to come with me. My friends doesn't know how to skate, so I cannot go by myself. Of course, I don't want to enjoy it by myself only, so I did not have a chance to skate in this rink. I'm sure it will be more fun to glide around, to see the surroundings, the views. It will be more fun to have a companion, to have somebody skating while going around. It will be more fun to skate.
Sisiw yan, te. Sisiw.
Kapag pumunta ka dyan, ay
Sisiw daw. Hindi ko kaya yan.
maano yan
Basic
masyado.
lang. Ang kaya ko.
Maano yan masyado, madulas.
Maganda nga yan eh.
Maganda.
Oo, mas maganda yan.
Wala, matuto tayo yan, te.
Oo nga.
Mas maganda yung ganyang surface. Very smooth. Kasi walang bulk. Walang ham.
Oh, galing hanggang doon.
Mahirap pag may ham.
Naglibot ko. Libot lahat.
I want to experience this. Pero wala akong kasama. Yun na, they are preparing the surface for skating. Ayan ang ganda ng structure.
No. Raz?
There. Parang guys, parang ito na yung Iceland. The land of ice. We are here. The biggest skating rink in Moscow. Gusto kong mag-skate, kaya kaso wala akong kasama. Ayan, puro ginto yung nando doon. Nakikita nyo na yung puro ginto yun. Nasa gitna. Kaya lang walang makakahawak. So guys, it's the end of the day. So, pauwi na kami. Hindi kami nakapasok sa loob ng museum kasi sarado pa. Kaya lang, maganda rin naman ang aming mga pinuntahan dahil maganda ang paligid, maganda ang views. Ang gusto ko sana subukan yung skating. Kaso, yung mga kasama ko, hindi sila ready. So, pero babalik ako dito guys para mag-skating. Because, dito pala makikita yung pinakamalaking skating rink sa buong Moscow. So, babalik ako para dito. Ayan. Patapos na rin kami, pauwi na rin kami. So guys, see you. So ayan guys. Dito na naman po nagtatapos ang araw na ito. At maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-support. At kung hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe and click the bell button down below to notify you for my next videos. Just subscribe Mystic Night TV, and thank you so much, and see you. Bye. Thank you.